Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
You know, I'm not one of those actors saying I must give the world my Hamlet. I thought I could play football until I went to escape to victory. You have to remember, I was playing with Pele.
Take it easy, you're as tight as a drum.
Just give it a halftime, Colby.
Don't let them pull you off your line.
We had Rambo in goal. No wonder nobody could get a goal against us. That picture was just fun. Huston, he's very much a man's director. He always made pictures about men who would... If you ever heard God talk, he would talk like John Huston.
He wants to know, are you gods? Not gods, Englishmen, which is the next best thing.
The Man Who Would Be King was a very easy movie to do because Sean and I were great friends and still are. He was...
Halt! Hats off!
John was an adventure director. Mankiewicz was the most literate director I ever worked with. He was the greatest director of words.
We know what it is to play a game, you and I. That's so rare.
I was working there with the greatest living actor, Laurence Olivier, and Joe said to me, "Don't worry, I'll protect you in the cutting room."
It's shocked, my dear fellow. Here, let me give you...
I don't want an even score. And don't you give me any of that one set all the games the thing is enough to take part crap.
Most sorts of people, from sort of tough gangsters to gay men to transvestites, psychopathic murderers, idiots. I mean, I've done it all, I'm telling you.